Hello and welcome. This is Rob Thomas, your Microsoft Enterprise Architect, which is everything Microsoft. Now, this is part two to the first video where I covered Microsoft Streams and its comparison to Camtasia, Adobe Premiere Pro, and Learn World. So before we get started, I also want to give a shout out to our sponsors, Enterprise Software Solution. By all means, reach out to them for any of your Microsoft needs, Microsoft SQL Server, Microsoft Server, SharePoint, and Microsoft 365. These guys are great. They'll help you get you up and running and answer any deep and technical questions about your Microsoft experience. All right, so as you're in Microsoft, you already know, you go here to the waffles, and I'll just recap again. Go to waffles. This is going to be your homepage. You go to the waffle here, and you click, and you see the streams right there. You'll click on that, and then they're just going to bring up your Microsoft Streams infrastructure. And excuse me, I'm at here. So you'll go here again, click on that, click on Streams, and it'll take you here. Once you get into Microsoft Streams, you can see I have some videos that I've added and I put into the system, right? So let's just look at the interface. So when you come to this page, you see your home, you see your create, your my content apps, and then you can kind of get out and it'll show you your streams here. So this will just make sure it'll always bring you back to your initial home page, right? You can actually come here and click create, and it'll take you to an overview of your create. But this is going to take you to your overall overview, which is pretty much your home page, right? So I'm going to go back a little bit. And then these are the 5 things you really care about. And this is the beauty of Microsoft Streams. It is agile. It is super agile. It allows you to create videos on the fly, be super quick, super fast, get things up and running. And then you can also go in and make some edits to your videos with a video project, right? So if you go here, you can see these videos. You can just go click upload. And what this is going to do is it's pretty much going to give you the feature to upload videos to your Office 365. And these videos actually get stored inside of your OneDrive, so which is going to be right here. So a lot of those videos will either be stored in your OneDrive or it'll be installed on, you can create your own custom SharePoint site. So you can see we created, our SharePoint site like training and education. You can see here. So in my training and education SharePoint site that I created in a previous video with you guys, I can actually start creating a folder and start storing all of those videos that I've uploaded into here. And then Microsoft Streams will pick it up and you can see it. Now, Microsoft Stream is new in 2024 is because previously Microsoft Streams was on its own platform. Now it's embedded into the platform fully. Right. So that's why they simplified it, made it super easy. I can upload, I can store it on OneDrive, I can store it on SharePoint. Right now, let's get into screen editing. This is a beautiful, powerful capability of Microsoft Streams. Like I can click on here, and this is what's going to do. It's going to give me this capability to create a video on the fly, create that video really fast. Right. So I can come in here, and this is going to be my camera. So when I turn it on, it's going to record my face. You're going to be able to see me. I can make it large. I can make it smaller. I can change the designs of it like that. Right, and I can move it around the screen. And this is going to be my camera that's going to record my face there. This is going to be me showing my screen, and you can just see here it's connected to my camera on my side of my computer. And I have a couple of mics that are connected there. These are like virtual ones that really don't matter, as they're kind of not real. But these are like these 2 real mics, right? That are built in. This is my Shure MV7, which I use a lot, and I'm using actually right now. And then I'll have my script. Right, and then I can add some effects, right, and then kick off up and running. Again, this is fast. This is powerful. I can get here and I start creating things, and it is just super useful. I can go in here to a camera recording, and with camera recording, I'm able to do the same thing. Now, this one is just only focusing on my face. So it's going to record my face. I'm able to, again, like set my camera up, make sure I'm looking at the right camera. I'm connected to the right mic. I can switch to a screen, right? I can do my backdrop. I can come in here and say none. I can make my backdrop blurry. I can add photos. So as it's recording me, this is going to be in the background. Script, put in there, type, paste the script, and then just add some really great effects. Some text in here or whatever, right? So I could do that. If this is screen recording, this one is camera, and you can do kind of a mixture of both, right? I can go back and remove that little camera so it'll just record the screen. Like you could do that. I also have the capability of creating a playlist. So with my playlist, it allows me, as I start creating all these videos that are stored here, I have a playlist right here are pretty much leveraging my list capabilities inside this Microsoft list, right? I just leveraged it. So now if I'm starting to do some training, right, and I'm not ready to go to Learn Word, what I'm building a community, and I'm building like this really robust onboarding that also I'm getting out to my coaches. I'm training to the community, right? I'm coaching the community. I'm doing one-on-one coaching. I'm doing group coaching. I'm doing an actual course training session, which is great. And I'm also doing an internal training session of all my employees. This is a great platform to do that. Now, here's the beauty of using the platform. And I'm all about using multiple platforms. I'm able to come in here and spit out these videos super quick, super agile, super fast, right? And I need a place for it because lists probably can't do it. Lists are really, really cool. I like it, but I need something a little bit more focused, more robust, that I can just spit out videos really quickly and I can just shove them in the Learn World, and it's just going to take me to the next level. So the last thing I do want to cover is the video project. So as you come in here to Stream, you click on video project, it's going to take you here. And now you're going to get that same full-on capability like you have in Adobe Premiere, which is super powerful, super advanced. Like you're coming in here and you're doing some hard stuff, and this takes time. And this is a massive learning curve. Not with this. This is super easy. I can go to my media. I could create an edit, throw some text, do some music and mixer on here, stock photos, stock images, graphics, transitions, and some more effects, some more filters, some more fading over here to the right. So this is beautiful. Like I could get in here and start doing some fast editing on the fly. I created this video. I'm ready to go. I want to add, like you see here, I got these videos. If I click on it, the video is not going to play because one of the challenges with the videos is that it doesn't have any audio. So I want to take this video and I'm going to put it in the video project. I'm going to add some audio to it. I'm going to add some voiceover, and I'm going to do that super, super quick, right? So that is the beauty, the power of Microsoft Streams. I encourage you to take advantage and use this because as you already currently have, if you don't have your Office 365 subscription, this is in here. You're just not seeing it. Click on it, start using it, start adding it into your workflow and get some value out of it. So I hope this was helpful. I hope I was able to give you some really powerful tools, some more insight into your existing tools, and see if this can really add some value to you. So please leave and comment below and share your feedback on this video and let me know if this was really helpful. Anyway, thanks so much for your time, and I hope you have a great day. Bye.
Right.